In a significant development in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, evidence has emerged that Russia is using North Korean-made missiles and ammunition against Ukrainian forces and civilians. This collaboration between two heavily sanctioned nations has raised international concerns and reshaped the dynamics of the conflict. Since December 2023, Ukrainian officials have been reporting the discovery of North Korean missile debris on their soil. The Security Service of Ukraine has confirmed that Russia has fired at least 20 North Korean missiles at Ukraine since then. Experts and Ukrainian officials have identified these weapons as the short-range Hwasong-11A ballistic missile. With a range of about 900 kilometers, these missiles pose a significant threat to Ukrainian targets. John Kirby, the National Security Council Coordinator for Strategic Communications, stated in a January 4th press briefing that Russia attacked Ukraine using North Korean ballistic missiles with a range of about 900 kilometers on December 30th, 2023 and January 2nd, 2024. In a dramatic turn of events, on September 18, 2024, Ukrainian forces launched a major drone attack on a Russian military depot in Toropets, about 300 miles from the Ukrainian border. This attack reportedly destroyed significant quantities of North Korean KN-23 ballistic missiles, along with S-300 air defense systems and Iskander missiles. The scale of North Korea's support for Russia is staggering. South Korean Defense Minister Shin Won-sik reported that North Korea is operating its arms factories at full capacity to supply Russia with weapons. South Korea estimates that Pyongyang sent about 6,700 containers to Russia since September 2023. The United States puts the number even higher, estimating that North Korea delivered more than 10,000 containers of munitions or munition-related materials to Russia since September 2023. Remember, if you like the reporting we are doing on this topic, please share with a friend and subscribe for notifications of new video updates. A report by the US Defense Intelligence Agency has confirmed the presence of North Korean missile debris throughout Ukraine. Analysis of debris found in Kharkiv on January 2nd, 2024, conclusively identified it as coming from a North Korean short-range missile. In addition to ballistic missiles, Russia has also been using other North Korean weapons systems. Ukrainian aerial reconnaissance detected the Bullseye-4, a self-propelled anti-tank missile system, in open areas on one of the fronts. This system, mounted on a North Korean wheeled armored vehicle, can engage targets at distances exceeding 10 kilometers. This collaboration between Russia and North Korea has drawn widespread international condemnation. Over 50 nations have signed a statement denouncing North Korea's export of missiles to Russia, citing the increased suffering of Ukrainian people and the undermining of global non-proliferation efforts. In response to these developments, the United States has announced sanctions against more than 500 individuals and entities in Russia. The international community continues to explore ways to tighten sanctions and close loopholes that allow for such weapons transfers. As the conflict continues, the use of North Korean weapons by Russia marks a significant escalation and a clear violation of international sanctions. This alliance between two isolated nations threatens to prolong and intensify the war in Ukraine while potentially providing North Korea with valuable battlefield data for its weapons systems. The international community now faces the challenge of addressing this new dimension of the conflict and preventing further proliferation of weapons to conflict zones. Remember, if you like the reporting we are doing on this topic, please share with a friend and subscribe for notifications of new video updates.